For this recipe, I have soaked half cup of yellow split peas dal or matar ki dal for 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to grind it. We need a thick paste like this. You can add water, round about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and grind it. And again, I'm taking here Elephant Foot Yam or shakarkandi or old kochu. I'm going to peel off the skin and I will pressure cook it till 2 to 3 whistles. And to get a smooth paste, I'm going to grate it with a grater and mix it with the hands. And I'm going to add here the grinded dal which we have grinded into the Elephant Foot Yam or shakarkandi. I'm going to add here 3 to 4 green chilies which I have pasted into it. Add salt to taste and mix it properly with hands. Elephant Foot Yam or shakarkandi or old kochu is easily available in all the parts of India and in Asian countries too. Now I'll heat a pan. Into it I'm going to add round about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Into it I'm going to add asafoetida or hing, 1/5 teaspoon of hing, and add haldi, red chili powder, zira powder into it, and add the dal and the shakarkandi or the Elephant Foot Yam into it, and cook it in slow flame till the water is absorbed. And I will grease a pan. Into it I'm going to add this cooked dal with Elephant Foot Yam and shape it according to your desire. And I'm going to cut it with a knife according to my desires. You can do it according to your desires. You can make it burfi or a square, whatever you like. It is my mom's recipe, so I'm going to share it today, and it's a very tasty recipe too. In another bowl I'm going to add zira powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, haldi powder or turmeric powder, and ginger paste into it, and make a celery out of this by adding a little bit of water, and mix it well and rest it aside. Another pan I'm going to add oil for frying our dal barfi. This is my mom's recipe, and I'm sharing this recipe from my kitchen to your kitchen. So do try it. Fry this barfis till it's golden brown in color and take it out. It's not that much tough to do it. So see, my barfis has been fried well. You can have this instantly. And now in the same pan I am going to add crushed garam masala, bay leaves or tej patta, and fry it till a nice aroma comes out. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar here and fry it. By adding sugar into your hot oil, the color comes out very nice. And now I am going to add 1 large tomato paste into it. Around about half a cup of tomato paste I have got. And add some pinch of hing and salt to taste. When the raw smell of the tomato goes away, at that time I'm going to add the masala paste which we have made, and fry it till oil releases from the side. And after that I have added here some fried potatoes, and add hot water according to your taste. I'm adding here around about 1.5 cup of water. And when it starts boiling and your potato has been boiled, add ghee, around about 1 tablespoon of ghee into it, and just pour it over the barfis which you have fried, and rest it, cover it and rest it for around about 5 minutes, and your dish is ready to serve. Try it with hot rice and enjoy the dish.